Got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. Bread, up and down, bread, up and down, right, bread, up and down, been open. Power, weakest, flaws, money, driven, nature, fraud, breathless, body, diamond, bones, wanna be it, wanna feel it.
Yo, what's up guys? Nagbabalik ulit si Joker TV Stream. So, ipapakita ko, meron na naman tayong panibagong video for today. Ito yung nabili natin for this week na Hot Wheels with other brands as well. So, meron tayo dito guys na, as you can see, nakita nyo naman sa screen guys. Maraming mga dalawang box tayo. So, I tried to buy yung different boxes. We have like this 8-pack from Target. I bought it. So the reason why I bought this is like meron lang mga some collections that for example yung mga nakita ko yan, yung mga Porsche. As you can see guys on the screen, yan. Tapos meron siyang ibang brand din, may nakita ko dito Tesla. So which is one of the things that kaya ako kinuha tong mga 8-pack na to, na hindi ko makita kasi sa mga single package. So, as well as the previous video, meron tayong mga duplicates. This one, which I already gave away dun sa aking pamangkin. Okay. So, ito yung mga nabago na bili natin. And also, right by the time I went there, meron ako nakita, finally, Honda Civic. I mean, di siya Honda Civic, it's Honda CRX. Yan. So, ultra hot siya. So, good thing I was able to, nakita ko siya agad sa Target. So, I didn't think twice to grab it. Napakaganda ng detail niya, guys. So, kung papansin niyo, like, pati yung sa taillight, unlike any other Hot Wheels na, syempre, dollar lang, walang mga details yung headlight niya, pati yung sa likod. But this one, you see, detalyado yung ating hot, So, let's try to open this one. Tingnan natin. But in case I bought an extra one, mukha kasi siyang para siyang rare. So, I got like 2 of them, just in case. And then, of course, yung Porsche. Ito yung mga kinokollect natin ngayon dahil may in-order ako like for actual for just the what do you call this, for the yung diorama niya ng mga Porsche. So here it is guys, you see, napaka-detalye, ang ganda, diba? It's really detailed yung kanyang paint as well as yung mga headlight, taillight. The only thing lang nakasira dito is itong gulong. But I was looking forward to change this on our next video pag dumating yung mga in-order ko. So ito hindi siya tawag dito, yung wala siyang suspension. So typically flat lang talaga siya. But all over it's nice. Meron siyang yung spoil, tawag dito, yung exhaust sa ilalim, which is good kung sakaling edit ng video. This would help. Also, ganun din to yung Porsche natin guys. Yan. Old school Porsche JDM. So, meron siyang pipe pa yung meron pa siyang exhaust sa harap. As you can see on that. You see it on the video. So, yan yun. Okay. Now, let's head over dun sa Of course, these are just typically regular. Ito ang ko. Medyo like nag-agaw pansin sa akin itong mga part na to. Yan. These are really nice car. So, siya, ang manufacturer niya is Majorette. I'm not sure, but I saw some of the videos na they don't like this they don't like this brand kasi medyo daw parang loose. Although, as you can see here in the box, meron siya, ito yung mga niya, specs niya. So, meron siyang rubber tires, suspension, opening parts, licensed vehicle. So, yung suspension, meaning to say, parang, siya, yung, tawag dito, yung nabababa, like I mentioned earlier in the video. Yung, siya, meron siyang parang shock. Tapos, rubber tires, unlike ito kasi mga gulong na to, these are just plastic. So, mas maganda pa rin talaga yung rubber tires. So, you can really feel the, yung essence mismo ng kotse. So, let's try to open this to see what's the good detail about this. Tingnan natin. Anyway, meron din siyang box, but I wouldn't recommend for you guys to store it here. But you can also, in case kung wala pa, this is good. Like, you can keep it for now. Na parang nasa storage nyo kung wala pa yung parang 164 scale na lagayan nyo ng kotse. So, let me try to open this first and be back in a few. So, here it is, guys. So, ito na siya. So, ito na yung, this is a Nissan GTR, my very first GTR sa collection ko. So, typically, napakaganda rin ng details. Kung yung papansinin nyo yung sa paint niya, medyo almost similar, pero ito mas parang like, more like a chrome. Tapos yung headlights niya, detailed din. So, it would really shows na, ayan, katulad yan, plastic talaga na clear. So, talagang makikita mo na headlight siya. Goods din yung design niya sa likod, which is may tail light din siya, guys, as you can see. And the cute thing about this is that this thing can open doors. Yan, open yung mga doors niya. Yan, you can see, guys. Ganda sa loob, oh. Astig. Para siyang yung Kaido collection. Pati yung hood nito nabubuksan nga lang, medyo parang hirap buksan. Yun, okay. So, yun yung engine niya. Maganda to, pinturahan yung engine para makita yung talagang astig yung itsura. Napakaganda, guys, look, oh. Astig yung itsura ng kotse for Nissan GTR. This is sick. Tsaka, the good thing about this, meron siyang suspension. You can see here. Pansinin nyo. Yan. That's what I'm talking about. Yung suspension, yung shocks. Meron siyang shock absorber sa loob, which is the good thing about it. So, tsaka yung niya, hindi, unlike yung iba kasi, katulad nitong isang to. Yun nga, like I mentioned. This is like clearly plastic. So, basically, okay din naman. Kaso, kung compare mo kasi sa like rubber, talagang feel mo yung essence ng kotse when it comes to ang ganda. Ang ganda ng essence ng compare to, tinan mo, masyadong madulas. Oh, you see? Pero ito, tama lang. Feel na feel mo yung essence ng isang kotse. So, let's head back to check this Ito naman ay ganun din. Under Majorette. So, let's open this box. I'll be back in a few seconds para makita natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, guys, so nagbabalik tayo ulit. So, if here it is, ito naman yung Porsche 911 Carrera S. So, ganun din siya, rubberized with, of course, suspension, yung kotse. Also, this one is now open din ng hood. Astig nga nito, pati yung talagang really realistic. Good for any 164. Tapos yung headlight niya, as I mentioned in the video, clear plastic with detailed tail lights. Here it is. Tapos nabubukas din ng mga pinto nito, which is really nice. Para siyang Jada na brand. or in matchbox na ano, yung isa na ano, nabubukas din yung pintuan. So ito nabubukas din yung pintuan niya. So I don't wanna force it, baka maputol or something. But yeah, here it is, na-open yung door as well. So ito yung mga kinokolekta ko mostly sa yung Porsche kasi it's really have a good detail as well. Tsaka may liga ako sa ganitong kotse, yung Porsche. So this is my dream car. Yan. Napakaganda. Headlights pa lang talagang, I mean, although the price here for this car is, when I see it, it's like $399. So basically $4. So plus tax, it could be like around 370, no, 5, almost $5 or 550 plus tax. But yeah, so this is good. It's really worth it to buy, unlike yung $1 na Hot Wheels talaga na hindi na open. But if you have something in this collection, this is really I would really recommend. It's really good. Maybe siguro there are some like yung mga nakuha lang nilang na kotse is probably merong factory defect kaya medyo maluwag. But aside from this, when I checked this, okay naman siya. It's hindi naman ganun ka yung kanyang door, very lenient naman, tsaka siya, hindi siya loose. So that's good thing about it. So this is really nice. So ito yung natin, siguro ilan na yung Porsche natin. Probably I have three other Porsche na hindi nabubukas yung pinto tsaka hood, but it's good to be a part of that collection. Especially if you're trying to build something like a diorama, now wherein you can like display those Porsche that you have for collection. Alright, let's go check in the other video. This is also a Porsche, but this one is like a sporty look like, so with the decals. So let's go ahead and open this up, and then I'll back in a few seconds. Okay, so we're back again. So ito yung natin, old school Porsche din, unlike yung una kong pinakita na Porsche. It's also a good part of collection. So this one, it has like decals dun sa pinakaharap, as well as yung headlight niya talagang realistic na clear plastic. Same goes with the yung taillights. Ito yung mga inaano ko, yung mga details ng mga taillights, headlights, signal lights. So this one naman, ang nito is nabubukas yung door. Only door side, I believe. Yeah, so yeah, door side lang ang nabubukas sa kanya. But all over and all, interior is very nice. As you can see, look at the video. Napakaganda. Ang lang dito is yung gulong. I mean, you see, talagang siya, parang plastic. So, rubberized naman. Same goes with the suspension. Meron din siyang suspension, as you can see, guys. Maganda lang siguro dito palitan yung gulong. The one that I see, like yung parang mga kala mo talaga rims na GTM. So this would look very awesome, especially kapag nakabit na yung mga na yan. But all over and all, it's not that loose as well. This is also a majorette na brand. It's not that bad. It's really good part of the collection of Porsche. So ito yung pangalawang Porsche natin, guys. Then let me show you yung isang na medyo pricey but hindi ganun siya but when it comes to detail, which is this one. This is one of the best piece actually by NASCAR Authentics. So ang nag-drive ng kotse nito is, it says Joey Logano. So napakaganda ng details ng interior niya. This is one of the good things, as well as with the headlights. Hindi nga lang plastic, just like the ones that the Majorette has, but this one's like a paint. Tapos all over with the decals, it's really nice. Meron pa tayo dito yung pinaglagi kong pinag-change lang ng Jiffy Lube. Also, yeah, it's really good. Good details. I don't want to open this yet because I don't have the actual what I call this, the 164 case. But when the good thing about this one, although hindi man siya nabubukas, and the good thing about is the detail inside, And also yung maganda din dito is meron din design yung kanyang gulong. Ayan you can see that. Yung magandang brand Goodyear right here. It's a very nice part of collection of this. So this is one of the kaya ko siya kinuha kasi I also like yung na kotse na to. This is Ford GT. Yeah. So they still have some more collections. I do see some of this, but ito yung presyo nito, it's basically about like $5.99. So $2 more, but it's still worth it. But depende kung anong trip mong kotse. But it's still all over. It's a good part to be part of your Hot Wheel collections. So let's go ahead and check this box right here para kunin natin yung mga what do you call this? Yung ating mga Porsche. Okay? Alright. We'll be back. So, hello guys. So, ito yung Porsche natin na kinuha natin from Matchbox. This is from Hot Wheels brand. Ito yung Porsche na to. I like the details here. Ang nagustuhan ko dito is yung nag-match yung rims niya sa kulay ng kotse. It's very nice. Hindi nga lang nabubukas yung mga pinto or hood, but with this quite simple of the kotse, it's really good to be part ng Porsche collection. So ito yung isa pa. With this one has a spoiler. This is from Matchbox. So ito yung magandang spoiler din siya. The only thing about this too is like unlike yung mga majorette na binuksan natin na Porsche, wala siyang detail ng headlight. So typically kailangan mo talaga siyang design as well as dun sa taillights niya walang design. So yeah. So and then hopefully pag dumating yung mga accessories ko for this, I'll try to paint yung taillight nito as well as yung headlight para mas medyo neat tignan yung kotse. But yeah, that's my Porsche collection. So ito naman yung isa, like the one that I showed you earlier in the video. It's the Porsche Outlaw. So ito yung old classic, similar to this one. But the only thing is this one is yung yung exhaust niya nasa may hood. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. This is Joker TV Stream again, and abangan nyo ulit yung susunod na video natin once na dumating ang ating diorama. Thank you so much and have a good day.